you want to build a tower? Tower. Look, ready? 1. Oh, good, but hold on. Let's build more. Here, you hold the ball. Luca, where's number 2? You build it. Here, where's number 2? Okay. Next one. Now, Bianca, wait till it's done. Okay, come over here and we move on until it's finished. Okay. No, that's fine. You don't have to stick it down. You don't have to stick it down. Just leave it like that. Number 3. Okay, what comes next? Okay.
Mama, there's another cuccioli.
Oh, another cuccioli.
5.
Okay. And what comes next? Maybe we're missing one, but that's okay. I think we're missing number 8.
8, yes.
That's okay. Put 9 on anyway.
9.
9 and 10. Bianca, look. Bianca, go get the ball. We need the ball for the top of the tower. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? It's right behind you, Luca. Here. Put the happy face on. Wait, Bianca, wait. No. Bianca, wait. Bianca, wait. Wait. Come here. Shh. And the ball. No, you gotta place it. No, what are you doing? You're supposed to put the ball on top, Goofy. And you had to destroy the tower before Bianca, didn't you? Look, let her help. Let her help. Hey, Bianca, put the ball on top. Shake it. Bianca, can you put the ball on top? Go ahead, go put the ball on top. Yippee! Good job, Luca. Woohoo! It's Happy Face Tower. Happy Face Tower. No, don't, Bianca. Oh. No, don't get it. No. Don't sit in front of her. Come on. Luca. Fa. Ufa. Can you let her see it, please? What you built? Nah. Nah.
7.
Oh no!
But they don't get
You stuck those two real good together. Oh look, she tried to put it on top. Here, try again, Bianca. Put it on top. Oh, see how Luca did it? You try. You give it a try.
Play ball.
Play ball.